Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about electronic ceiling fan which using Bldc motor. My name is Afiq Nuruddin bin Muhammad Ainuddin and I'm from University Science Islam Malaysia. Alright, to know more about ceiling fans, what is ceiling fan? Ceiling fan is a mechanical fan installed on the ceilings, generally driven by electricity that circulate using hot-mounted spinning blades. Ceiling fan especially cool individual by increasing air speed. It's unlike air conditioner because do not lower ambient temperature or relative humidity, but do have a cooling impact by assisting the evaporation of perspiration and increasing heat exchange through convection. Due to friction and waste heat from the engine, fan can contribute a tiny amount of heat to a space. Cooling air is a thermodynamical costly. Fan consume far less energy than air conditioning. The last one is ceiling fan can also be employed in winter to return warm air that has naturally risen to inhabitant. Okay, next I will explain more about operation of ceiling fans. Okay, that's the example of block diagram. Okay, based on the figure state that PWM generation and control electronic for BLDC motor as well as DC voltage generation based on AC main supply. Both essential component for BLDC motor control. Okay, DC power for purpose BLDC motor based ceiling fan system is provided by SMPS, which transform AC supply to DC voltage either 24 volt or 48 volt. BLDC motor control electronic can accept 24 DC from battery or AC supply. SMPS design, which we can know as AC-DC converter module, permit changing AC power to utilize as input while maintaining a constant DC output as required. Okay, to more clear about this, I give example circuit diagram. Based on the circuit diagram is divided by three sections. The first one is AC-DC converter. Second one is three-phase hash brick, and the last one is speed control section. Okay, there is a circuit diagram for a brushless DC ceiling fan controller with sensor sinusoidal control current control. And the technology that use are AC-DC section where it control main AC input range to generate smaller voltage as an input in DC voltage. As that motor control section is based on integrated chip that include three-phase BLDC motor controller, hash-brief inverter, and it also adjusts the output voltage to support the external load. And its feature an infrared remote control based on speed section that decoded the remote control input and generate a pulse modulation with duty cycle instruction for control speed of fan. Why I choose this circuit? Because it's a great technology example for ceiling fan. Okay, based on previous fact, we can know that BLDC motor is a synchronous electric motor powered by DC electric and having electronic commutation system rather than mechanical commutator brush. So we can conclude that BLDC motor is the best technology for ceiling fans because it use DC electricity that's more easier for us. Okay, I give example the relationship between engineering and in Quran. So there is example of Quran verse that mean, do you not see that Allah has made easy for you whatever in heaven and earth, and has made easy for you what is in heaven and earth that has been bestowed on You his favor outward and it good. Surah Luqman verse 20. Okay, the verse select is clearly the universe created by Allah Subhanahu wa Taala is subject to certain laws, and what is heaven and earth is truth for the convenience and use of universal human being. Islam is not limited, but human relation with God ever encompass all aspects of life. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you.